Sometimes, you might have a Facebook account and an Instagram account. If you want to use your Instagram profile picture as your Facebook profile picture too, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to set your Instagram profile picture as your Facebook profile picture. To do this, open the Facebook app. At the top, you'll see 3 lines. Tap those 3 lines. Once you do, you'll see your profile name. Tap on your profile name. When you do that, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on the profile picture. After that, you'll see an option to import from Instagram. Tap that option. If you have a profile picture on your Instagram account, it'll be set as your Facebook profile picture too. On the next page, tap OK, and everything will be set. One thing to note: sometimes, your Instagram and Facebook accounts might not be linked. If that's the case, here's what you can do. Go back and tap the 3 lines again. After that, scroll down and you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, then select Settings. Once you're there, you'll find the Account Center option. Tap on Account Center, and you'll see Profiles. Tap on Profiles, and you'll see an Add Account option. Tap on it, and add your Instagram account. This will link the 2 accounts. After that, you can set your Instagram profile picture as your Facebook profile picture too. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.